want to do you know. NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Greetings and blessings to my people. Big up on yourself. Right now, me I tell us the place hot like a fire with me the people. Hot like a fire. Brother, you see a man working a snow, England, Canada and them place there. You see, yes sir, a sun man working a. Me I tell us say, yo, them say snow cold, but people, me da rather be in the snow than this a sun. Me I tell you, like a fire. The AC buck right now, you know. And me I tell us me a sweat. No joke. And AC run cool, but a fire. No joke. So right now, people, me a launch a attack. Attack. You want go on now? Jonathan Rowe. Teacher Jonathan Rowe. Yeah, when me take off your last name, because me don't want the road and get bad name for you, you know. But you see, you Jonathan Teacher from Jamaica over Florida. Attack. Because when you go on with over there, you know, you make Jamaican people look bad. You see me? You go to Florida for a better life. You say you as a teacher and they accept you and hire you upon the visa thing there. You work visa thing there, you teach. You see me? Look here now, Jonathan Rowe. If you know so when you're at Jamaica, if you have one heap of sea and shark and dolphin in your mentality, keep your yard with you. But not go over there and the people them school with the same thinking mentality. Because what you them go on with now, I mean I say allege. Because people, me tell you, me not tell you lie. From me look pan it, me not trust it. From me look pan it, look worse than what I will. Me I tell you, me not trust it. Attack, sick stomach. People, look pan it now, man. Them say now, them have a look at thing go on in the classroom over there in Florida where I teach. Zin? So one of the students now a 15-year-old boy. You understand? Stay some man, then take a look at picture based on the fact and the assignment them. So them say the look at youth, message him now and say, sir, teach, can you send me the picture what that we took together? People them say, the picture we send. Oh my world, oh my precious. With the nasty thinking thing, my people. Good, you understand? So them say the little boy comes to woman now report it to the school board, my people. You see me say, based on the fact where him ask him for that, him send him that. And I ask the little youth to send him back for him thing. Go in the bathroom, go take one and send back for him thing. You see me? When them comes to boom now, my people, authorities and sweep down upon him. He do confess and say yes. Him have private thing in him phone, my people, like know something. But him can't recall if him did do send that to the people. Them have message to show us proof. When him ask, cause they look at you, show the proof. Say him ask if him can send back for him thing going to the bathroom. Now attack for that the same thing that my people. Not really and true. Now attack for this I be go thinking what listen thing ya. You make Jamaica look bad. Jungle like couldn't give Jamaica bad name. So right now they have him lock up my people. Down a detention center. You know what I mean? And them say soon he will the back on his way to be deported back to Jamaica. People, one thing me I go ask them for. Please, who I go carry him down there? Which airline? Ice, who I go carry him down there? Air Force 3, Air Force 1. Look at where me asking now. When you see when you reach right out there, saying the deepest part of the ocean, the deepest part, that's what me do and drop it through there. Let him go. That's where the fishes belong. That's where the whales belong, in the ocean. Them not belong pan land. No, sir. Let him down there, my people. Whatless thinking, sinking them. Don't trouble. Look for your toe. Look for your toe. Look where your name call pan. Imagine you get a chance to go over, so. Go work. You see me? The people them give a chance to go work. Enough people that love these type of chances in a life. And this is what they for fear mentality. This is what they for fear mind. One heap of nastiness and corruptiveness and plump. You, Jonathan, me not sorry for you. Me say more and more attack for you because you're wrong. You should never do it, Jankro. Me tell you, so you should never do it. And you think NEWLINK, me see it from what day now, people. Me see it and want to launch the attack from what day now. Because for Monday gone, you me now. And me see it and want to launch the attack, you know. But me say NEWLINK, get the attacking, gear up the attacking, gear it up NEWLINK. Don't do it when the attack well. You see like how the sun are burn up now, me people. The attack hot. You, Jonathan, me I tell you, boy, you go down there. And what kind of thing you go on with? Now them catch you, but you know how much of this you go on with from yard. You know how much of them look at you there. You go to turn around and turn them in a swim around a yard. You know how much of them? Look for you too. If you have a cushion, pung, play! You, Jonathan Rowe. Attack for you. Straight attack. The people, big up on yourself. More love, more blessings and more respect, my people. I'm not stop drop the attack them. You see me? People, make sure you go over TikTok. NEWLINK production official, because a different vibe me go on with over there, so my people. Right now the TikTok page hot. You see me? The thing I go on wicked over there, so yeah, miss out on something and you know see me on YouTube. We're active on TikTok, my people, because of two different things are going on. And the same attack launcher, so you know. You see me, TikTok is a different vibe. Instagram is a different people. So make sure you follow me on all social media platforms. Facebook, NEWLINK Production, TikTok, NEWLINK Production, Instagram, everywhere. NEWLINK Production. And remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel. That is important. Peace out. Be good. Be great and be safe, my people, and thank you for the love and for the support every time, my people. Bless up, attack.